Hi, it's Alicia. As you may or may not know, I went to Japan for 1 month, and then today I'm going to show you all the stuff I bought in Japan. So first things first, I got this Sakura Shiba Inu tote bag that was only 1,000 yen, and also this one, which is Fuji-san with another Shiba. I got really interested into Shibas while I was there. They're so cute! So first things first, we're gonna start with stuffed animals. So I always need a stuffed animal to sleep or else I have a hard trouble sleeping. And I went to Japan purposely without any stuffed animal because I knew that I would come back with one. So I got him. So he is a polar bear. And I love him a lot because he's so big, so soft, and so fluffy. And what amazes me of Japan is that their plushies are so cute but also very affordable. If you compare it to the prices here, like something this size is minimum $50 and I got him for 1,700 yen, which is about $20 I would say, which was amazing because he's so fluffy. So the next stuffy that I got is this Rilakkuma one. I got him in particular because I really like the pattern on him. I really like anything that's watercolored and flowers, and also he's even pastel, so that marks 3 things that I'm really into, so I couldn't not buy him. I also got this Gurashi, the penguin, and also got my friend another penguin, but it's yellowish green so we can match. And for my last stuffy, I got an official Totoro Plushie. Okay, so I didn't really divide anything in categories, so there's gonna be a lot of random cute things from Japan from now on. But before that, I'm gonna show you on my backpack. I got these cute little charms. I got another Sumikko Gurashi. This one is actually a pink tapioca ball. This I actually got before going to Japan, but I think I got it at the Narita airport when I went once for a layover. And also this Fuji-san charm that I got at Mount Fuji. This is a charm for good luck. And on the other side, I have my bus card. So in Japan, it's actually very popular to have one of these. Almost everyone owns one, and it's very convenient. You just have to take your hand on your side and boop, and that's really much there is to it. You don't really get it lost. But what's funny is that when I showed this to my mom, what she told me was like, "Ali, it's gonna get stolen," and like that didn't come to mind at all because in Japan, like, no one thinks about stealing stuff. So that was kind of a culture shock to me from coming back here. But yeah, I put it in this pocket instead to kind of hide that it's my bus card. So this is the card holder I was actually using while I was in Japan. And what I like about it is that it's pink and the design is actually like the metro tickets that you get over there. There's actually a little hole where you can see the penguin's head of the Suica card, which I find so adorable. Okay, so moving on, I have deer ears and bear ears. So I got these ones when I went to Nara Park in Osaka. So that's a park where there's like just deers walking around freely, and I got this with all 3 of my friends to match with the deers. And I got these bear ears at a maid cafe, which was actually included in their like combo. So speaking of Nara, I got this also. It's a little deer. The reason that made me buy him is because of his butt. There's a heart on his butt and I found that too cute, and I really like the traditional pattern, so I got him as a souvenir. Okay, so next I got this from actually my friend that lives in Osaka, and her mom gave us all one of these as a present. And you actually use this, you put your water bottle in it and it's supposed to keep it cool. I got this at a gacha gacha. Gacha gachas is like you put money in and then you turn the dial and there's this like big ball and it's like random stuff that comes out of it. And I got this one, which was so cute. And I like it a lot because it's a watercolor art form and also Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma. Next I got this Totoro puzzle thing. So it's like you build it yourself and it becomes this like 3D image of Totoro. And I found it really cool and I really like building stuff a lot, so this is gonna be fun. Oh yes, this. I got it at a little like local market, and there's a guy who was actually hand drawing these and it was really nice, so I got one. And next I got this. I used it to put in my sewing supplies. So I brought a little like emergency sewing kit while I was over there, and it's really cute and very convenient. Okay, so this I got at the Line Friends store. this is actually a plane ticket holder, but I used it to put in all of my receipts. So at the end of the day, I would write in my book everything that I bought and would put them in different categories. So next I got this beautiful portfolio. Again, there's a theme coming back. It's watercolored, and this time it's these cute little flowers. And what I like is that each layer, only like one part of it is painted, and it's like when you put them all together it makes this full flower painting, which I find really nice because it puts some dimension in it. Next I got this little notebook from Daiso, which is the Japanese dollar store. So another thing I got at Daiso was this, and it's actually like a book holder. So it could hold your books or it can hold files. There's some documents that are just standing on their own and would like some support from Pink Berry over here. And I got this pink eraser while I was at the airport. And I also got this mechanical pencil. This one is Rilakkuma and it's pink. Okay, so another thing I got from the gacha are these hats. And they're actually cat hats. I'm gonna put them on my animals, and I just wanted to see their reaction to it. I thought it would be very adorable. Got Totoro socks. This is so adorable. So this is a little bird sitting next to a pink flower, and it's like one of those things that's like however you move it, it won't fall. And the thing that I really like about it is the material that it's made out of. I also got one of these. It's those like rings that you put in the back of your phone, and you can make it stand, and it was in the shape of a heart and it was pink, so I got it. I also got these two cute patches from Daiso again. I got a Dumbo. I've actually always wanted to own a Dumbo, but it's actually pretty hard to find in Canada. Either they're very expensive on Amazon and you aren't really sure if they're authentic or not. There were so many of these in Japan and so cheap too. And his eyes actually light up if you put the switch on, which is also very cool, and you can move him however you want. Okay, so next, these are the chopsticks that I bought. I wanted to buy these portable chopsticks so I can use this to be less wasteful. I like these because it's Sumikko Gurashi. Then I got these chopsticks, obviously because they're pink. And lastly, I got these chopsticks in Kyoto, and I actually got my name engraved in Japanese. So next I got these two little guys. My favorite Disney character is actually Eeyore, and I love pink, and I love Sakura. And then the perfect formation of all the things I love was found in this cute little Eeyore Tsum Tsum. And I also got him, who is a penguin and also the form of a Tsum Tsum, and I got him at the aquarium in Osaka. Okay, so I'm gonna move to some tinier things. So over here I got a charm that is to pass your exam. It's written Gokaku, I think. So I'm actually planning to go to school in Japan next year, and in order to do that I need to pass this Japanese test called the JLPT, and I have to pass level N2. For that I got this to kind of motivate me to study some more Japanese. And I won this Rilakkuma at Audio Onsen. If you didn't see my vlog yet, go and check it out and see how I actually won him. So the next thing in my preparation to go to Japan, it's called a Huncle, which means seal. So in Japan, instead of actually like signing document, you actually put this seal. So I got my last name engraved in one of these, and I got this case at Daiso. And then you have the little stamp over here, you put the ink, and then you just stamp, and that's how you sign in Japan. So next I got this little bear, also from Daiso, and he's actually a measuring tape. And then to put the measuring tape back, just press on his nose and it goes phew. And the last thing to show you guys is this cute little pouch. So it's Hello Kitty, and again I got it because of the watercolor design that it has on it. And in the bag you can actually open it and you can put some tissues in here. I'd usually like sleep next to this in my hotels. If there wasn't any like desk to put your stuff on, I would put my headphones, I'd put my chapstick, tissues if I needed, and also my earplugs. So this is really handy while I was over there. Yeah, so that was pretty much everything that I got for myself in Japan. I'm also gonna upload a video of me showing all of the clothes that I bought in Japan, and I actually filmed that video all in Japanese while I was in the ryokan, which is like a traditional Japanese inn. And if you want to see the clothing that I got, please go check the video. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!